What are the next herbs that I should take in the morning, Aunty? At what time?
See, the morning breakfast, you can include herb in your diet. See, the smoothie is the best way of your breakfast. When you're having a smoothie, first of all, it's not cooked. Anything you are eating uncooked food, why we are eating food, we have to have energy, we have to get all the nutrition. So try to eat maximum of like the raw food. But that is not that easy. But when you are making a smoothie, all the thing in that is raw only. It's 2 minutes it takes. Whenever you make a food, you have to keep in mind that our food should be a complete food.
Yeah.
A complete food is 60% of our energy we should get from carbohydrate, 30% of our energy should come from fat, and 10% of our energy should come from protein. That is our balanced diet. So here, as carbohydrate, you can use big banana, which is normally it's available in Kerala. Other bananas and all, it's a sugar more. That won't give you.
Here, yelaki banana is also.
Yelaki banana is sugar more. It's not carbohydrate in that. That big banana has, which makes the chips, that has more carbohydrate in that. Or otherwise guava has good carbohydrate in that. To make the smoothie creamy kind, you need banana. So you can add elachi banana into that to make it smoothie, like the cream wise you can make it. And you can add little bit of sugarcane juice into that. That will give you like carbohydrate and plus that will give you the sweetness into that.
Okay.
Fat, like you can add coconut, the tender coconut if you want, you add, like you can add fresh into that, or like you can add coconut milk into that. And for the protein, you can add groundnut, little bit of soaked groundnut. You add into that. And in that, you add any kind of leafy vegetable you add into that. When you think about the leafy vegetable, the herb in the city, like you will think about palak, methi, and pudina, dhania, kale, only very few comes. Actually, there are so many edible greens in and around us.
Wow.
So many greens. And when you are adding these greens, you have to keep in mind that any greens, when you are plucking the green leaves in your diet, sun is the only energy source. Plants are the only one which can absorb that energy and convert into food form. So when you are taking that leaf, tender leaf is the one, like we have to take it. We don't have, once when the leaf is like overdone, you were just taking it directly, our body cannot digest that. It's more of fiber. Chlorophyll, like our body cannot digest it that easily. So the tender leaf you take it. The fruit is edible, think that leaf is also edible. Just like a mango, the tender mango leaf. Only in some seasons like you will get it. Cashew nut, but you can have it. Okay, cashew nut, that fruit also we have. That tender leaf you can have it. And even sweet potato leaf, any kind of, the drumstick leaf, moringa leaf is so good. It's very rich in calcium. Any kind of leaf, and try to change the leaf. Any kind of leaf you just take, because each plant bring different trace elements to the soil. Each plant have different nourishment. So let our body have all kind of nourishment our body need. We cannot just, maybe like you may say that, the science may say that, okay, I wanted 100 trace elements to the body. It's not that. How much diversity the nature is bringing, as much like we can bring in our body also. So keep changing it. Okay, you have, like you bought something, okay, amaranth I bought from the shop, I have some. So use that for few days. Okay. When it's over, get another leaf.
Okay.
So anything like, the edible, if there you can add agasse leaf, you can add it. Amaranth leaf, you can add any kind of leaf, moringa leaf, anything like you are taking it, little bit of leaf, you add into that. So you are getting all your nutrition with that. Herb you are adding into that, and your diet becomes a complete diet. If you want, add little more water, or otherwise the sugarcane juice will be enough. In case if you don't have the sugarcane juice, add little jaggery. In case if you
tender coconut water.
Tender coconut water you can add. Tender coconut we can add it. You can make varieties. It's not that everything you have to add in one day.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Make different flavor, different days into that.
Okay.
Even methi leaf tastes very nice in this. Pudina leaf tastes very nice in this. Pan leaf tastes very nice in this. Actually, pan leaf and all is very good for our digestion thing.
Yes.
So pan leaf, like, no, but you should not add more. Pan leaf maybe like one leaf.
Okay.
Pudina maybe like little more. You should use it. You should not use so much of leaf into that, but little bit is enough. We are taking it as directly.
What are some of the best herbs that I can use for lunch?
The lunch also, like you see, you can use any of, see the pudina, dhania, all these curry leaves, all these are very rich in iron. That is why in our normal diet it is there. And making chutneys, you can add all these kind of herbs in the chutneys, you can add it. Anyway, that we know. But other kind of leaf, even moringa leaf you can add into the chutney. Even this changalam baranda, actually it's a creeper thing. It's called devil's backbone. That it's very good for our bone. This was there in our normal chutneys, like we were using it. It's a normal herb and we were using it in our chutneys. So these are all like we can just bring back into our chutney recipes. We can bring it. And even a raw pumpkin, when you are adding a raw pumpkin in your chutney, now smoking habit is there even in youngsters a lot.
Yes.
And the smoking, we know that it gives a black cover to your lungs.
Correct.
To clear that, this pumpkin helps you.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shlloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shlloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.